Right, backing up your website is critically important. You know that, I know that. But sometimes backing up your website is a giant long process and it's a pain in the butt. However, you know if you don't do it, you might lose your entire website, which means we need a solution. That solution is going to be me attempting to back up my website in 60 seconds so that you know how to do it, you can follow along, and you can do the same thing. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, 60 seconds is the aim here. I'm going to put money on under 3 minutes. Still pretty fast. 60 seconds, the target. Let's give it a go and see what happens. Okay, no pressure. Here we go. Start the clock now. From your WordPress admin dashboard, you're going to head across to plugins and then go to add plugin. This is your WordPress plugins repository, and we're going to go ahead up to the top right and search for Duplicator, which, if I spelt correctly, would be great, especially when I'm on a time scale. Of course, today is when WordPress decided to be slow with that load. All right, here is Duplicator. We're just going to click on install now. Hang around for just a second, hopefully a very quick second, and then we're going to click on activate. Let's go WordPress. Come on. Here we go. That's going to drop you to the Duplicator dashboard. We're just going to not worry about this for a second. And here we have no backups available. That's completely fine. I'm going to go ahead and click on create new just here. This is going to give me the opportunity to create a new backup, surprisingly enough. We've got an option here to give it a name. I always just leave them as they are, to be honest. I don't really worry about it too much. And then the storage, again, we can just leave this as it is. You do get more options with Duplicator Pro. This is just the free version of Duplicator. Pro gives you a ton of extra options. But we can leave this as it is. Click on next. Go ahead and let Duplicator scan the site, which it's doing now. I have a feeling, I've got a feeling it's going to be quite quick. There we go, 1.19 seconds. So all we want to do is make sure that this is all good, which it absolutely is. We don't need to worry about the notice here. Only worry if anything is red. Check out what it says. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on build. There we go. So it's now going to build the backup. This is going to vary time-wise depending on the size of your website. And I am going to cheat a little bit on my time frame here because I am going to essentially skip to the end of this rather than waiting for the backup, because that might take about a minute in itself. So I'm sorry. You can call it cheating if you want to. Okay, that's done. It did actually only take 48 seconds, but that was 48 seconds I didn't have. So we're going to come down here and click on download both files, both the installer and the archive file. These are going to be really important should we need to restore your particular website from any of those. What we can do now is we can go back to the Duplicator page right here. We can click on backups and we should be able to see why does everything run slowly when you need it to run quickly. Let's go. And there we can see the created backup, the size, and we have the installer and the backup file there, but we've also saved those onto our computer should we need to use them. You do need to use them, of course, to restore your website. You need to know how to do that. That I cannot also do in 60 seconds. I've probably already gone over my time, so just click on this video right here instead.